Hey guys, today I'm going to be giving my review on the Keto & Co. packaged fudge brownie mix. All you need is a few ingredients and then you're set. So let's get started. So I have here a few eggs, and the recipe also calls for melted butter. So in my container over here, I'm going to add in the eggs and then I'm going to beat them. So as I'm adding in the eggs, I'm just going to let you guys know that you're not going to be expecting the end result of this brownie mix, but just keep watching. It's only a couple of minutes. So we're going to beat the eggs, and then I'm going to add the brownie mixture on top, and then I'll add the melted butter. I do not like adding melted butter directly to my eggs because it'll start to cook the eggs, and that's disgusting, especially in a dessert. So we're going to add the butter on top, and then I'm going to struggle mix this with my whisk, but I'll transfer over to my handy dandy wooden spoon. So here it is. I'm giving it a real try. Ain't that sad? So I was making some progress, but anyways, here it is. Ta-da! So now we're going to mix this through. There was really no need to use a mixer. This blends easily. It's a very nice thick mixture. It was perfect. So I'm going to add this to my nonstick pan. You can add it to a prepared pan if you don't have a nonstick pan, but this pan is wonderful. If you guys want, leave a comment and I'll give you the link in the description. So next I'll bake this according to the package instructions, and I'll show you the finished product. And here it is, 16 pieces, nice size pieces. And it's a nice fudgy texture, and it's actually beautiful. But you guys, let me show you up close. So you can see it's not dry like most keto desserts. It's nice and like soft and real fudgy. I don't know how they accomplish that, but it's extremely fudgy. And it baked really well. And so I gave it a couple of taste tests, and I don't know, guys, if you like salted caramel type desserts, you may like this, but for me, it was disgusting. I couldn't even finish the full piece. I hate it. It was so nasty. So thumbs down for me. I will not purchase it again, but it's up to you. So what went wrong? It was too salty. The oily texture was really wet, and again, too damn salty. So that's it for me today. Thanks for watching, and tune in for my next video.